And then testimonials. I do testimonials for a lot of the people that I do business with. For instance, maybe my plumber or my inspector. And I can stand there and say, hey, this is Joe Smith. He's an incredible plumber. If you ever need plumbing work, definitely call him. At the end of this video, it's going to take you to his website so that you can book an appointment with him or whatever. Then that's a URL you can give to Joe Smith, the plumber, and he can then put it on his website and send it out to all his people and say, look what this guy said about me. And I also tell agents, it's also a great way for if somebody says, hey, I want to give you a testimonial, say, hey, will you do it in a video for me? You can upload that into Vetus and then use that to send out as let's say a URL you want to send out to your all the people you're trying to do business with. So again, I will send this to you, Chris, to show you that you can share with all these guys. It's totally on me. So
yeah, we'll send that link along to you guys. But yeah, I mean, I love hearing all those tips. It really just kind of seems like, one of the keys to, kind of really incorporating video into your business is just to kind of, all those things that you might do via just like a very formal email or a couple of text messages, you can really just kind of whip out with a video, and it's a lot more personalized that way.